Hello, teacher. My name is Andrea Carolina Zaffarello. The negative impact of technology on the environment. The earth that has been the home of humanity for millennia. However, man has witnessed a abrupt change in the territorial sphere, and some of those changes have occurred thanks to technology as it industrials abounds. To understand the technology must be understood as the set of theories and techniques that allow the practical use of knowledge. In accord with the above, I am continuing to mention that technology has caused damage to the environment due to man's decided to achieve great things in the shortest time. I wish the environment was not so polluted, but the reality is different. That is why, as considered that many measures must be taken to reduce them. It is an individual's duty of the home to take care of the place they live. Parents must teach their children that technology must be positive, change must not hurt the world, and that is what what should be what should be done in school. Thank you, teacher.